Hartford-Brainard, that's affirmative, maintain VFR, proceed on course.
Proceed on course, 113 Golf.
Alright, let's do this, full power. Right rudder, a little bit of right connection, but the wind was calm. Looking at the airspeed. Oh, that air feels nice coming in. We're going to start to rotate at 53. Pitch your nose down, looking for 79. We're at UI, 79, climbing out, 250. We're at 500. Yeah, my DG set's not right here, DG. 600. $700, making the right. We're on the right crosswind. Continue to climb.
Tower to 113 Bumble Foxtrot.
November 113 Bumble Foxtrot, Brainard tower.
113 Bumble Foxtrot, we get the paces here at 2,100.
Roger that, thank you very much.
Alright, we're on the right downwind here. Like this distance, look at my lake in front of me there. Trim down. We're at 2100. We're on the right downwind. There's the airport, looking at that river straight ahead. We're at 1,000. Tower Cherokee 7259 Foxtrot to midfield, full stop.
November 7259 Foxtrot, Brainard tower, wind calm, runway 2, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 2, where's this going to be taxi back?
Number 59 Foxtrot, thank you for the info.
Alright, we're a beam, power's going to 15. 1 notch of flaps in. There's some blue tanks down there. Trim up for 70. Right, 900. Flaps 2. Making the right for the base. Trim down for 70. Trim coordinated here. We're at 70. 800. Turn it into final. Full flaps. $500. Trim down for 70. Power's going back.
Brainard Tower, Stock 529 Delta, we have a base cloud around here at 2,000.
Number 5298 Delta, Brainard tower, thank you, we'll talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon, 529 Delta. And 112 Bumble Foxtrot.
Number 5298 Delta, your go around observed, no need to acknowledge, but when you're able, you can resume your right traffic.
Thank you for that tower. We'll zoom right traffic, 5 Foxtrot.
Endeavor 1125 Foxtrot, bring your turn, you back inbound.
112 Papa Foxtrot, we have some light rain here, so we're trying to go back to heading of 030.
Endeavor 1125 Foxtrot, bring your turn back into the Delta is approved, and you're going to come back to land, or you just need to go another destination?
113 Papa Foxtrot, we're trying to do some turnaround points here, and we'll head back in about 10 minutes.
November 125 Foxtrot, operating in that area is approved as requested. I'll let you know when I have traffic. Just let me know when you are inbound.
3 Papa Foxtrot, roger, thank you.
Alright, try it again, 600.
Endeavor 7259 Foxtrot, what's your landing intention this time?
Cherokee 7259 Foxtrot, landing is full stop, taxi back.
Endeavor 7259 Foxtrot, bring your tower to wind 050 at 4, runway 2, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 2, 59 Foxtrot.
Company traffic's going to descend. Endeavor 529 Delta, bring your tower. You can head more towards the airport also, and you'll be number 2.
3 Papa Foxtrot, at the airport, and we're up for number 25 tonight.
Coming right to final on this one. Base to final. We got speed here. Two notches in. It's gonna float.
Burning tower to track 269, holding ship.
That floating going on over there. So it was a one and done for me with the go around today, and I'm just gonna think about like today's, do like a little mental debrief, because I wasn't ready for all that extra floating, so that threw me off and I couldn't put the plane down. The throttle was idle, and I was all the way down, and I still was floating like crazy down the runway. So all right, it's better to be on the ground wishing I was up in the air than up in the air wishing I was on the ground. So I gotta let my nerves kind of cool off. So I'm glad the plane's in one piece. I'm in one piece, and see you again. Thanks for coming along for the ride with me.